Hi everyone, having trouble with Verizon Wireless mobile data? In this quick guide, we will show you how to fix your Verizon cellular data issues and get you connected fast. Let's get started. Fix 1. Check airplane mode. Turn on or off airplane mode to refresh the network connection. After you have restarted the device, you will be connected to the new strong network connection. Swipe down the quick settings, turn off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds and turn on airplane mode. Fix 2. Change network mode. Changing the network mode on your mobile device can help optimize connectivity and resolve issues related to signal strength and data performance. Changing network mode on Android. Open settings, look for network and internet or connections, mobile network, then go to network mode. If you have a dual SIMs, you can choose the network mode for each SIM card. From the drop down menu, select the network mode you want, example 2G, 3G, 4G, or 5G, and it will be set automatically. Changing network mode on iOS. Open settings, go to cellular or mobile data, tap on cellular data options or mobile data options, choose voice and data to see your network options. Select from available options like 4G, 5G on or 5G auto depending on your device capabilities. Fix 3. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can resolve data networking issues by restoring all network related configurations to their default state, which helps eliminate problems caused by corrupted settings, outdated connections, or misconfigured parameters. To reset network settings on iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. For Android, access the Settings app, navigate to System and General Management, select Reset options, and then tap Reset Network Settings. Confirm the action to complete the reset. Fix 4. Check APN details. Changing APN settings can resolve data issues because they dictate how your mobile device connects to the internet and communicate with your carrier's network. For iOS devices, open settings, tap on cellular or mobile data, go to cellular data options or mobile data network. Enter APN details. APN VZWin Internet MMSC http mms.vtex.com/servlet/mms and MMS port 80. Leave the remaining fields empty. Exit the settings. Change are saved automatically. For Android devices, open settings, network and internet or connections, mobile network, access point name plus icon to add a new APN. Enter APN details, name Verizon APN, VZWin Internet, MMSC http mms.vtex.com/servlet/mms and MMS port 80. Leave the remaining fields empty. Tap Save to confirm the new APN settings. Fix 5. Check Verizon balance. If your balance is low or depleted, it could explain connectivity issues, prompting you to either purchase more data or adjust your plan accordingly. To check your Verizon balance, dial #BAL #225 on your Verizon phone and press the call button. Listen for the automated voice response, then hang up. Alternatively, log into the My Verizon app or a website where your balance will be displayed on the overview page.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.